In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images to headers in Google Docs. If you want to place a logo, brand image, or any small graphic at the top of every page in your document, Google Docs makes it pretty simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To get started, open your Google Doc and move your cursor to the very top of the page. Then double-click the top margin. This opens the header area, which is the section that repeats across pages depending on your document settings. If you've never edited a header before, don't worry. Once you double-click, you'll see that the top area becomes active and ready for editing. Next, go up to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Image. This is where you'll tell Google Docs that you want to place a picture into the header instead of regular text. After that, choose where your image is stored. Google Docs gives you several options here, including uploading from your computer, searching the web, using Google Drive, selecting from photos, using your camera, or inserting an image by URL. Pick the option that matches where your image currently is. This part is helpful because you're not limited to files saved only on your device. If you're uploading from your computer, browse to the image you want, select it, and click Open. Once you do that, the image will be inserted directly into the header area. At this point, you should see it sitting at the top of your document. Now that the image is in the header, you'll probably want to adjust its size so it fits nicely. Click the image to select it. You should see small handles appear around the edges. To resize it, drag one of the corner handles inward to make it smaller or outward to make it larger. Using the corners is usually the best method because it keeps the image looking cleaner and more balanced. If needed, hold Shift while resizing to keep the image's proportions consistent. This helps prevent the picture from looking stretched or squished. That's especially useful for logos or images with text, since distortion can make them look unprofessional. Take a moment to size the image so it fits well within the header and doesn't take up too much vertical space. A header image usually looks best when it's neat, aligned properly, and not overpowering the main content of the page. And that's all. You've successfully added an image to a header in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.